Welcome back to yet another unboxing. My friends, today we are checking out the mini true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These are featuring Bluetooth 5.0. It's got a built-in microphone, portable charging box with long playing time. This is for Android or iOS devices. This is by Techbuds. Picked this up from Amazon for about $46. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, so first off, here we have that. Two little earbuds and the charging case, I assume. So, wow, that is small. So, nice packaging, first off. Let's check out the little charging case. Okay, so there it is. It has a nice little spot for the earbuds to go in there, and it is quite small and compact. It has a little button on the back, as well as, see if I can get an angle where you guys can see that. There we go. Get the light just right, and there's the charging port and the little power button there as well. Okay, it has this actually feels like it's got a magnet in there to hold it closed as well, so appears to be well constructed. Nice little plastic box there. Okay, moving on, we have, oh my goodness, those are small. The earbuds themselves, these are quite tiny, probably basically just disappear in your ear. I'm going to give them a white background there so you guys can see them okay, but quite small. Let's see what's on these little guys. Okay, they just have one little button on there, and it appears that they are both identical, but very small, probably the smallest earbuds I've seen. They do boast a microphone, so that's going to be kind of interesting to check out. So that is that. Let's put those little guys back there. All right, what else we got in the box here? In the bottom, we have a USB charging cord, of course. And then what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on a second. 1, 2. Okay, so it has 4 little different ear pieces there. So apparently you have to put a cover on these. So I don't know if you can just stick it in your ear like this, or maybe you have to put the ear cover on. Either way, we're going to find out when I do a product review / demonstration. This is just the unboxing. But obviously these parts, you know what, let's open the bag. It has 4 of these, so different sizes here for different ears, which is nice to accommodate. And this bag is giving me some trouble. Quite a small bag here, actually. Okay. Alright, so these, okay, they fit right on over the end there, and probably for noise, probably has some noise or decreasing ability also, so you fit that in your ear and helps go in there. Alright, so how long is this cord? I was doing a video earlier and it had a really short cord, which I kind of like. I don't really like the super long cords unless you need it. So this is about 10 inches long and not bad at all. Some of them are like super long and like, come on, you're just plugging it into a little USB thing. So I don't know, I guess to each their own, but I like the shorter ones. Here we go. True wireless headset operation guide. And it shows you how to wear it, how to put it in the charging box and stuff like that. That will be addressed when we do the product review. So let's just see if these little guys go into the box here. I'm gonna have to charge this thing up here before I use. Oh, right on. So these are also magnetic, it appears. I mean, that's just not the weight of thing. So a magnet kind of sucks these into place in there. Just like that, you can hear it. And I wonder if we can charge it right now or not. I don't see any lights or anything. I probably have to go plug this in and get this charged so I can do my review. Anyways, that is the unboxing on this little product. These are by Techbuds, and they seem to be pretty cool little earbuds here. So thanks for watching this review, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. All right, my friends, the earbuds are all charged up, ready to go. Let's see if we can't open it up here. Sorry about that. Okay, so as soon as you open it up, we'll try to get to start pairing here. Okay, they'll start flashing. You just pull them out, they start looking for a signal there. So we're going to go to our Bluetooth here. Okay, my friends, so I opened up the top here after we got it charged. Let's see if we pull them out. I believe they sync to each other, and then one's going to start flashing blue and red, that one there, and that means it's looking for a device. So let's pair our Bluetooth to it. So we're going to go to connected devices and pair new device. No Bluetooth were found. Available devices, it's looking. There we go. S570 is it. So we're going to click there. Let's click pairing. And good to go. It's connecting, so it's active at 100%. I'm going to listen to some sounds here on there. And let's go back to our camera. So these have a little button on them. Those you can use those to answer the phone. Oh, what else do the buttons do? It does have a voice prompt. It tells you power on, power off, successful connection. To answer the call, press the multifunction button. So both headsets have a voice during the call. To hang up the phone during a call, press the multifunction button. Okay, so when playing music, you could click the multifunction button to pause, and then to click it in to play, and double click the multifunction button to play the next song. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and listen to some of this. It charged up nice. This box is actually really cool. It's very small. These are the smallest earbuds I've ever had. They're quite tiny, actually, and very lightweight. So I'm going to have a listen to the sound, throw on some Amazon Prime music here, and then I'll be back for the final review, my friends. Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Final review and final thoughts on this True Mini Wireless Bluetooth earbuds by Techbuds. So super cool. The charging case is just a really good idea. They paired easily. The sound was quite good. They're very small, as you can see. Let me show it up. Compared to, well, what do I have? Something a normal size. I guess like a wedding ring here. Okay, and you look at that. So it's, can you see? I can't see there, darn it. My goodness. Anyways, it's like the size of my fingertip there. Okay. So, very cool. Very cool earbuds. I like the fact that, well, of course, the charging case is really neat idea. Someone had just a really great idea to do that. It's comfortable. They're super small. The Bluetooth was easy to set up, as you saw. The range is supposed to be on the Bluetooth 5. It's supposed to be not. I think it said like 6 feet. I think I got about 20 feet away, and I can still listen to them from my phone. So there's a little magnet on there that sucks these in there. So if you put them in there, it holds them on the little charger. You can charge them that way. There's a little button on the back of the box so you can turn it on and off. Just super cool, super small, very comfortable fit. One thing I did like that I've had with these experienced and not with some other ones I've owned, but the little button on there, maybe it's just me, I have really sensitive ears, but when I would push on the button on the other ones, it would like push it into my ear and kind of give me like a, like it's popping my eardrum. That was not the case with this. You can actually, the button is kind of like sticking out there, and you can just squeeze it between your finger and your thumb and just push the button there if you want to skip your track or what have you. So that, I really like that aspect of it. Super small, yeah, I mean, really good. The sound was, I mean, honestly, I can't tell the difference between, I've done reviews on several different earbuds and headphones and things like that, and the sound is quite similar on all of them. All of them had a really good sound from what I could tell. I'm not like some kind of sound connoisseur, but pretty cool little device here for around $46 there on Amazon. I mean, yeah, I was impressed with it. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. As always, I put a link in the description below to the product. If you like it, you can swing by and check it out. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.